The Warrens have battled demons, ghosts, and curses. But this final chapter will test the limits of their faith and fear. The Conjuring 4 isn't just a movie, it's a terrifying experience you won't forget. So keep your lights on, say your prayers, and don't forget to watch it. Evil is real and it's waiting. The Conjuring Last Rites is gearing up to be the most intense and emotional chapter yet in the Warren legacy, and trust us, you're not ready. Patrick Wilson and Vera Farmiga return one final time as Ed and Lorraine Warren in what is being called their most terrifying real-life case to death, the infamous 1986 small haunting in Pennsylvania. This isn't just another demonic encounter, it's a haunting that stalks them on a personal level, involving a demon they've faced before. The film kicks off with the Warrens considering retirement, but one final call pulls them back in. And yes, Annabelle is back. According to director Michelle Chaves, she's basically the Conjuring universe mascot. So of course, she had to make an appearance, even if she's not the main villain. The film also introduces Judy Warren, now grown up, played by Mia Tomlinson, who may have inherited her mother's clairvoyant gifts. Her boyfriend, played by Ben Hardy, is pulled into the horror as they confront a malevolent force that has waited decades to strike. Expect terrifying exorcism sequences, flashbacks with young Ed and Lorraine, and a heavy emotional core as the Warrens face the full weight of their legacy. The visuals teased in the trailer include levitations, mirror hauntings, a fury exorcism, and that unforgettable shot of a demon hanging midair in a shadowy ritual chamber. This film promises a climactic farewell to phase 1 of the franchise, but also opens the door for more stories, especially with the Max streaming series already in the development. The Conjuring Last Rites hits theaters on September 5, 2025, and fans are already calling it one of the scariest entires in the entire universe. Will the Warrens survive their final battle with darkness, or will evil finally win? If you thought you'd seen it all, think again. The Conjuring 4 takes horror to a whole new level, darker, deeper, and deadlier. The Warrens finally fight is here, and it's unlike anything they've faced for. For more updates like this, do subscribe to PrimeFlix TV and hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you never miss an update.